Winter in the Erzgebirge. Freshly fallen snow creates an idyllic atmosphere. And even when there aren't always good things to report at the moment, all's right with the world in Auhagen. Last year was most certainly an exciting one as our first full year in business. The pandemic affected us, of course. In terms of sales, we got off to a pretty good start in our first year. We have overcome all the hurdles. We try to keep our products available, and we were lucky that we produce here at our site in the Erzgebirge.
Die Seminare mussten wir natürlich absagen im vergangenen Jahr.
We had to cancel our seminars last year, which was a shame. Of course, we'll make them up as they were only postponed. Clearly, everything has been pushed back. We will hopefully start making up the seminars by mid-year this year, as the situation allows.
Ab Mitte des Jahres wieder beginnen können. Wir haben also ein Themenset wieder aufgegriffen.
We have taken up a theme set again. We have the maintenance facility in Hafo. We took a modular system as the basis for it in order to create the building.
Ein Bahnmeistereigebäude sozusagen zu erstellen. Dazu gibt's eine Rampe.
There is a ramp in order to load up, for instance, a bulldozer onto the flat car. The interesting thing is we issued a bulldozer for it, the T172. In addition, there is a track construction set, for example, a screwing machine tamping units, an emergency power unit, a small trolley is also included, as well as sleeper tongs, wire tongs and everything else that goes along with it.
Alles, was so des Weiteren dazugehört. Wir haben für die Schmidtstraße neue Fassaden gemacht.
For the Schmidtstraße, we created new facades that are structured somewhat more simply than the old ones. We also have new roofs made of tin, for example.
Dann gibt es für den Ladenbereich.
For the shopping area, we have arched shop windows, as well as interior decoration, and there are many additional details. For example, we now have a crane for the house under construction.
Beispielsweise auch für das Haus im Bau haben wir ja den Kran mit dazu. Das sächsische Bahnwärterwohnhaus mit Nebengebäude haben wir letztes Jahr in H0 herausgebracht.
Last year we brought out the Saxon Railroad Attendants House with an outbuilding in Hafo, and we had a great many inquiries as to whether we could also bring that into TT. That is exactly what we did, with one difference to Hafo. In Hafo, there are interchangeable variations for the wall, either with slate or plaster. In TT, we have omitted the plaster wall, so that the interesting slate wall can definitely be showcased.
Wir haben das Thema M22 dieses Jahr wieder angegriffen.
This year we also took on the M22 theme in all three nominal scales that I can definitely mention. We have new variations of M22 in Hafo, in TT and in the N-gauge. We have color and printing variations. Check out our website.
In der Spurweite N.
This year in N-gauge we have a very intricately detailed track scale for the railroad, something that was missing in our assortment up to now. The track scale nicely rounds out the assortment.
Und jetzt unser Sortiment einfach runter zu gestalten, gibt es dieses Jahr die Gleiswaage.
Many model railroaders want not only great models, but also tools and colors for their landscape design.
Wir haben uns ein kleines Sortiment an Farben.
We have put together a small assortment of colors and landscaping panels along with matching tools.
Viele wissen nicht genau, was für Werkzeuge.
A lot of members don't know exactly which tools are used for which material. That is something we learned through our seminars. We noticed that veteran model railroaders often asked, which tool should I use here? Which file can I use here? How can I work with a Styrodor panel? And so on. And so we just sat down together and said, what's possible? This is how a tiny but tremendous assortment of tools comes to be.